Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today we're going to get into a case review for the Huawei Mate SE. Now, I know you haven't seen tons of videos on the Mate SE, but we're finally over with the review phase of the S9 Plus, so we're going to go ahead and dive into the Huawei Mate SE. And let's go ahead and start off with these Tudia cases that were sent to me. Always a huge shout out for Tudia for dropping me these cases to review. So first things first, we got two as you see here. And first we're going to take a look at the Tudia Merge. Now the packaging says for the Honor 7X, but as you know, the cases are the exact same. The phone basically is the exact same, especially when it comes to dimensions, when it comes to the cutouts and everything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Merge case right here. So on the right side, you get that volume up, volume down, power button. Your left side is completely blank. Cut out for your fingerprint scanner, your camera, and your flash. You get some Tudia branding down there, and on the inside you get Tudia Merge branding there as well. So let's go ahead and pop my Huawei Mate SE. As you see, I have the gold version, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here is the Tudia Merge on it. It actually fits very good, no issues whatsoever. So let's take a look around the actual case. So on that right side, like I said, you get that volume up, volume down, nice and tactile, no issues whatsoever. Power button, nice and tactile there. Lay on the table protection, as you see, it has a decent lip going all the way around the actual phone. So when you lay it on its drop, or you lay it on its face, or if you drop it, you should be good in that category there. Now, I'm not running any type of screen protector, so this is actually what you're going to get if you don't plan to run a screen protector. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? It actually fits very, very snug. As you see here, there is no give on the sides whatsoever. Fits very snug, and if you want to take it out, it doesn't require much to actually take this case off. So it actually fits very, very good. And lastly, not least, how does it actually feel in your hand? It feels very good in your hand. Does add a slight bit of bulk, but it's not actually horrible. It actually feels and makes this device feel a little bit more durable. As you know, this is a little bit on the budget side, and these phones feel like it's a little, a little fragile, and this actually makes it feel very solid. It also makes it look a lot better, in my opinion. And flipping over on the back, you can see that cutout for that fingerprint scanner, which is very generous. So you can actually pop your fingerprint on there, and it works every single time, no issues whatsoever. And as well, you get that cutout for that camera and flash. Very generous there as well. This is basically the matte black version. As you see, this is like a matte black material. It may leave tiny smudges here or there, but it is nothing terrible. So here is the Tudia Merge series for the Huawei Mate SE, and that will run you $10.90 on Amazon, and I will drop that link to the description below as always. Next, let's go ahead and take a look at the Tudia Tamm case. So taking it out, since I got the link up, guys, this case will run you $7.95. It's not as heavy duty as the Merge case, so this is a little more of a flexible TPU type case, but let's take a look around it. On that right side, you get your raised volume up, volume down, power button. Your cutouts on the bottom are spot on, left side completely closed. Flipping over on the back, you get that cutout for your fingerprint scanner, camera, and your flash. You get two little faux carbon fiber designs up here, and like I said, this is a flexible TPU type material. So go ahead and pop the Huawei Mate SE in there. Here it is for yourself. So unlocking the device, volume up, volume down, buttons nice and tactile, no issues whatsoever. Power button works just fine. Flipping over on that lay on the table protection, as you see, you do get a decent level of lay on protection all the way around. So when you drop it actually on his face, you should be good. Won't actually hit the screen of it. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? And it actually fits a little too loose for my liking. As always, I would like for these cases, if they're going to be the flexible style TPU, I would like for the material to be a little bit more stiff. So a little too flexible in my opinion for me, but I would like it for to be a little bit more stiff. Top and bottom aren't horrible, but the sides, constructive criticism, like I said, guys, I don't care if the cases will sent to me for free. I'm always going to keep it real. Would like the sides to be a little bit tighter on this case. And last but not least, how does it actually feel in your hand? And it actually feels pretty good in my hand. These sides, as you can see here, I'm not how good the camera's picking up, but it has a textured side, and that really helps with grip. Doesn't add too much bulk to the device, and actually feels good overall in your hand. Just would like the sides to fit a little bit more tighter. So here is the Tudia Tamm. Like I said, this case will run you $795. And here is the Merge, which is a lot better in my opinion. In this case will run you $1090. But as always, I will drop the link to both of these cases down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time, guys. Later.